Personal Capital Retirement Planner Honest Review. Watch before using. Personal Capital's Retirement Planner is one of the most powerful free tools for tracking retirement readiness. But is it actually worth using? Let's break it down. This planner is designed for anyone serious about long-term financial planning, from beginners to experienced investors. It integrates with your existing financial accounts, including 401ks, IRAs, taxable accounts, and even Social Security estimates, providing a real-time, data-driven projection of your retirement outlook. One of its standout features is Monte Carlo simulation, which runs thousands of scenarios to estimate the probability of your portfolio lasting through retirement. Unlike basic retirement calculators, it dynamically updates based on market changes, spending habits, and income adjustments. The platform also allows users to set specific retirement goals, such as early retirement, large one-time expenses, or changes in spending over time, making it more flexible than standard static models. Now let's talk about the downsides. While the tool itself is free, Personal Capital's primary business is wealth management, so expect frequent prompts to speak with a financial advisor. The planner provides solid data-driven insights, but it doesn't replace personalized financial advice. Another limitation is that it assumes historical market performance will continue, which may not always reflect future risks or economic downturns. Additionally, some users may find the interface overwhelming at first, especially with the number of inputs and settings required to get an accurate projection. However, once set up, it provides deep insights that most free retirement calculators simply don't offer. So, should you use it? If you want a robust, interactive way to gauge your retirement readiness, it's one of the best free options available. It's ideal for those who already have investment accounts and want a real-time, data-backed plan rather than just a static estimate. Just be prepared for the occasional financial advisor pitch, and remember that no tool can predict the future with 100% accuracy. If you can navigate that, Personal Capital's Retirement Planner is a top-tier choice for serious retirement planning.